I'm back, you guys. Another Danscomp unboxing. Got a big package today, so let's get to it. Got a lot of new parts. This is an unusual package. It's the biggest one I've ever gotten. To get all these. The thing that sucks is that these packages always come in real good. The tape is some bullshit because it's so weird. They come in weird, awkward positions and you can't get them out. It sucks. Alright, so that's the stuff I got. It's like, oh, so much paper on the top. Alright. Let's get this out of the way. This is the one part right here. The main order. Got a new frame. Got a new wheel set. Get that out of the way. Alright, so got a couple new parts. I got the Fiend Get Reynolds signature frame. It comes with a 20.5 inch top tube and a 75.5 head tube, degree angle, mid bottom bracket, the dropouts, and got a Federal Fat Feet camera. I got a Primo M4FL front hub laced to a Primo wheel and Primo spokes and Primo hub guards. And over here we got Primo free coaster laced to a Primo wheel, Primo spokes, and Primo hub guards on both sides. And it's open. Right here. Love these grips. You guys gotta get them. Devin Smiley flyby grips. These are so soft. You guys don't even notice it. It's so amazing. Couple Fiend stickers. Don't even know what this is. Demolition headset. Came back to this sprocket again, but smaller because oh shit, I'm tired having a big sprocket, so I made a change to the smaller one. The 25 tooth Odyssey Bardio sprocket. Then that, last but not least, more Fiend stickers. I had a Colt half-length chain. Chrome. The usual shirt. A book. Discounts. Danscomp stickers. And then stuff to build your bike, I guess, or before you ride, or however you do that crap. I don't care. And then here's the paper, and I'll show you guys the total. The usual price is going to be like 900 and something, but I got it down to 785 because 15% off is the shit. Alright, let's get these wheels taken out real quick. So hard to do. Can't even do it. There you go. And for a foul. Looking clean. Looking better than my old wheel set. Like, I'll give you guys a comparison real quick. Stock ass shit. I was running a Demolition Boom via V2, but this hub was giving me problems, so I had to make the switch, and then I still had stock rims on both wheels. This wheel was given out to me, and I used my friend's Paul's that I lost supposedly and broke off. But this hub, it's pretty good for a while, but broke them. And then here we have my old frame. So heavy, and it was pretty ugly though. I got it from over the years. I want to see how short this frame is compared to my other one. Almost a spot on. Almost the same, but a couple different nicks. Back end shorter for sure. Forgot to tell you guys earlier, it was like a 13 point something, but I'll show up the specs on the description. That's good. I got all that stuff out of the way. Let's do the back real quick. Sorry for all the screaming in the background. Too many kids. Here's the free mix. Finally making a switch to the free coaster. This wheel is looking just nice. I love it. Comes with I think plastic cup guards. Yeah, plastic cup guards. This looks just amazing. Can't wait to put that on too. I'll show you guys the back seat real quick. It's a seat. Looks really nice. It's gonna match kinda good, I think. But better off than having it match with this ugly ass seat. These are my parts that I'm gonna put on the bike. I have a lot of chrome, but I think it might look good enough. So I'll be back with you guys. I'm gonna build this bike up. Then I'll show you guys and I'll do a bike check after this. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Bike's all done. I'm gonna do a bike check. So starting off at the top, I have the Fly Bike Devin Smiley grips in black. You guys should try those out. I got Shadow Voltage bars, 9-inch rise, and 27.5 width. Merit stem. I got a wood grain compression bolt. I don't know what brand it was, I forgot. Demolition headset. Odyssey R25 forks. And then the front wheel is a Primo M4FL with hub guards laced to a Primo wheel and Primo spokes. And the frame was a Garrett Reynolds signature Fiend frame with a 20.5 top tube and 75.5 head degree angle, like I told you guys earlier. The back end's around 13.2, I think, to 13.375. And then I have a Shadow seat post and polished, and federal fat seat camo. I got over here Demolition Revolt cranks in 175 with Merit PC pedals in black. And I got the Odyssey LaGuardia sprocket 25 tooth with the Demolition bottom bracket. You guys can see. Hold on. It's right there. Can't even see it. It's Demolition bottom bracket. And I got a Colt half-link chain. And in the back, we got the special part. I got the Primo Freemix free coaster with 2 hub guards, both sides, laced to a Primo wheel and Primo spokes, and nipples on both. And then the pegs, I'm running Fit OG pegs with 110mm all around, really short. And that's my bike. If you guys have any questions, just read the specs and then ask me any other questions. And that's it. I'll see you guys later.